Holy pumpkin spice goodness. Are you in for a treat with this? This is pumpkin pie French toast 2.0 or double pumpkin pie French toast. I'm really not sure what to call this one, but we're taking our pumpkin pie French toast from like 13 or 14 years ago, and we're adding in the twist of the pumpkin spice bread. I love that bread. It's really, really thick. It's already got the pumpkin and the spices swirled into the bread. So it's going to make a great base for this double pumpkin pie French toast 2.0, whatever we're going to call it. All right, we're mixing together eggs, milk, and canned pumpkin. It uses about half of a can. I will just use that other half a can for something else. We're doing all kinds of pumpkin baking these days, so I'll use that there. And then adding in the homemade pumpkin pie spice. You can see that video somewhere around here on the channel. And then once that is all ready to go, we are going to get our griddle screaming hot. I am going to spray it because the pumpkin really thickens up this batter, if you will, the egg wash, I guess, and it really needs to be sprayed. So we're gonna let all of those sit there and grill right up. And then once they are ready to flip, we're going to flip them, and they're going to just have this gorgeous, like golden orange hue. I just think the pumpkin makes these look really, really pretty. All right, we're going to flip those and do the other side. I'm going to finish the loaf as well. So we're doing all 12 slices. I have some to serve for breakfast, and then I'm going to actually freeze the rest. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Right now, I'm just transferring them onto a silicone baking sheet lined cookie sheet, and I am going to put them into well, I'm going to eat my French toast here first. Just a little dusting of powdered sugar and some butter. You could also use syrup if you'd like. I had some bacon, so we're going to add that. That'll be my snack, my brunch, my lunch, whatever. But back to freezing. So I'm going to put them into a single layer. I decided to cut up the two heels into French toast sticks just to be a little different, but also to show you this is a great way to do French toast is in the stick form, and you can just dip them into the syrup if you'd like. We're going to freeze those. Those have been in the freezer for about an hour. I call that flash freezing. Just want to get them nice and cold and starting to completely freeze. And then I'm going to transfer them back into the baggie that the bread came in so that I know that that's what's in there, first of all. And also, we're just recycling the bread. So I'm going to add all of those back in there and put them back into the freezer. Then I can take them out one at a time or a little stick at a time and reheat them. When I reheat the pumpkin pie French toast, I generally will put one slice into the toaster and run it on the defrost level 3, and then run it on regular toasting level 3. That'll get it nice and cooked through. And then, of course, add your butter, powdered sugar dusting, or syrup with your warmed up pumpkin pie French toast. So there you have it. The recipe is down below the video and over on the $5 Dinners blog.